Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can blast your volcano. So I am using a volcano base, but I am using a bottle. So first of all we have to pour baking soda in it. So pour baking soda. And next I am using here the food color. Food color is optional. If you don't have this, you can skip this. So one pinch of food color. I am do like this. Now I am adding this washing liquid soap. Oh sorry. So at the last I am adding the main thing, vinegar. This is very important in this step. This is last step. So the magic is begins. So you can see the volcano is erupted. So now I am adding more vinegar. So you can see the baking soda is left, so you can